GMAT Official Guide 2016, question number 89 of problem solving. It's a great example of how to solve a Venn diagram question. The question has given the total number of students as 5,000 and X students taking music, Y students taking art, and students who took both are Z. Now we want to find out how many of them did not choose neither art nor music, right? So this is what I need to find out. Now a great way to solve this question is through group grid. So once you have recognized how many exactly 4 parameters are there, so that we can write it down like this: people who chose music, people who did not choose music, people who chose art, did not choose art, and this would represent total, right? So total we know is 5,000. Just fill in all the information here. So number of people who chose music is X, number of people who chose art is Y, number of people who chose both is Z. So if this is Z, this is X, what should give you this box will be basically will come down to X minus Z, and this here will come down to Y minus Z, right? And X plus something should give you 5,000, or I can simply write this as 5,000 minus X. Now clearly this is what I need to find out, the neither portion, right? And I have an equation here. The equation is clearly, you can write it down. So Y minus Z plus neither should be equal to 5,000 minus X. That will give you neither as 5,000 minus X minus Y plus Z, which is answer option E. If group grid confuses you, then you can always solve the question using Venn diagram. So since there are 2 parameters, music and art, right? The number of people who chose music is X, number of people who chose art is Y, chose both are Z. So what will this region be? I can write this region as number of people who chose only music, right? That will come down to X minus Z, and similarly I can say number of people who chose only art is Y minus Z, right? And the total number, so clearly this is the total number is 5,000. So I want to find out how many people did not choose either of them. So neither will be equal to total minus people who chose only music, that is X minus Z, people who chose only art, that is Y minus Z, plus people who chose both, right? So if I simplify this, you will end up getting total is 5,000. 5,000 minus 1Z and 1Z cancels out, so X plus Y minus Z, or further 5,000 minus X minus Y plus Z. That's the number of people who did not choose neither art nor music, which is again option E.